Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Viber for business communication. In order to do that, first head over and then install Viber on your Google Play Store or your App Store. From in there, head over and click on this open right here, and then it will open your Viber. So click on start now right here, and then from in there, just enter right here phone number as well as your country code from in here. Just choose in here your phone number, and then you can register through that particular method wherein they will send you an OTP for that particular number that you put in here, and then you should be able to set it up from there. So once you have set it up, you can head over right here to any business options that you have. Like for example, if you're doing business on your Facebook or your LinkedIn, you can head over and open that app from in here. And then just try to add your Viber to your bio. Click on edit right here, and here's our bio. Head over and edit it. Now you can see something like you can put in here the Viber phone number that you have. For example, let's put in here Viber, and then just put in here the phone number that you have, and then from in there you should be able to save it from this. And then once you have saved this, people should be able to communicate to you about your business on Viber. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try best to answer. Thanks.